I am a MWR Life member and I booked this trip and I can take a guest with me. I'm in Sicily.
Hola, soy Mauricio, yo amo viajar y me gusta mucho ganar dinero. Con este proyecto se puede todo, se puede hacer todo, realizar nuestro sueño.
Our hotel is close to the city center, next to the beach, and it's so easy to move around and discover this fantastic, wonderful city.
You can have this incredible experience.
Traveling the world is amazing, but when you can do this for free, it has a sweeter taste.
Join our community and become an MWR Life member, so you can make your wishes come true.
Con MWR Life es posible y de una manera gratuita.
It's an unbelievable adventure to be here with all my friends.
I love to travel.
I love to travel.
I love to travel.
Me encanta viajar.
Eu amo viajar.
I love to travel.
Più piccole Torine!